cake pan, everyone. It's a cake pan, for God's sake. What is up, everyone? Jay Flores here, and for today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make some deep fried pork teriyaki. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you want to learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now, and of course, ring that bell. One more thing, if you've noticed, medyo improvised or gumanda yung lighting natin. My lights or my studio lighting is way better just because of a cheap cake pan. Yeah, you heard it right. Cake pan. This guy right here is really powerful. I posted a link down below on how I made that. Really cheap. You just need cake pans or cake pan and some lead strip. I think, yeah, that's it. So if you're interested and if you like this setup or lighting, please comment down below and tell me what you think. Okay, let's proceed for the recipe today. This is gonna be simple. You're gonna learn how to make some not too authentic teriyaki sauce, but at least it is great for home cooked meal. We're gonna use a different cut of pork. We're gonna use pork belly, so para equal yung fat and lean meat. So yeah, I think more fat is flavor, I guess. Anyway, without further ado, game. So that is it for this episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home. And I hope, yes, you will try that at home. Yeah, please let me know what you think. And that recipe was quite simple, I guess. Elegant, pero ang dali-dali lang nun. So, might as well just try it at home right now. If you have some ingredients, feel free to do so. Again, follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page if you have time. If not, I can't force you to do anything for me, but I would appreciate that. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this one. Comment down below your request if anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko the next time around. Yeah, I think that's it. Stay safe. God bless. Peace.